Hey guys, Dirt Rust here. Thought I'd show you my Scout pocket knife collection. I've collected quite a few at flea markets. Some were given to me, and some I found at thrift stores and yard sales throughout the years. And this is my collection, so let's take a closer look. Alright, here you guys go, Camp Buddy. It's got the basics of a Scout knife. You got the reamer or leather punch. Most Scout knives have the spear point, main blade, and they got a can opener, and they'll also have a bottle opener and a screwdriver. Reamer, this is the basic setup. And this one is probably has Delrin scales. I think I have another one of these in there. Got a Sheffield. I'm not going to go through all of these, but all these have different setups. This can opener looks quite different from the other can openers. Bottle opener. This one's got scissors. I didn't put my Victorinox collection in here, but this one looks more like how a Victorinox is and Wengers are set up. This is a Colonial. They call these hobos. Made in Japan. They're little tiny. Almost like a Swiss Army knife, but very small. Made in Japan. Kind of some sort of plastic. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that might be bone. Actually, I'm not quite sure on that. That might be bone. Got a camper here. The Ideal camper. I think this is going to take quite a while, guys, so it's going to be a long video. So we'll just go through them. I picked these up, and a lot of times they're broken. I believe they're used in the Army, and some of you guys probably know better than I do. I haven't really studied up much on these, but a lot of times when I find these, for some reason they're broken. But I think one of them's a Camillus. Let's see. This can't open it there. Let's see here. Yeah, this one's a Camillus. Got a K-bar. Oh man, that's hurts my finger. That's an interesting can opener there. These are kind of hard to get out. Scout knife here. This is a, oh boy, I don't think I could even tell. Some of these are needing a cleanup for sure. Looks like a jigged bone there. Interesting can opener there. Oh, this is a loosey-goosey blade there. Let's see what... Whoa! Looks like hammer brand. This one I think is kind of like the hobos, made in Japan. Got the fork and the spoon. Has a good snap to it. Let's see, we got a... Let's look at the tang stamp here. Tokyo, Japan. Yeah. Got nail polish on it and everything. Pretty worn out. Can't even grab anything in there. There we go. There's the reamer punch. Camp King. I have a few of these Camp Kings. And we got, okay, this is an Imperial. There's another Camp King. And Imperial as well. Let's see if I can find some more Camp Kings. Forest Master. The USA there. Screwdriver. Bottle opener. This one's a Colonial. And this was my grandmother's. Cub Scout. I have another one that was hers as well. In here in this pile somewhere. We got a little bit newer one. Got a Bear Grylls camp knife. It's alright for an EDC. Okay, there's another one of those little hobos. They pack a lot of stuff in there, huh? Even scissors. Okay. Got, be prepared. So there's a Boy Scouts knife, but this isn't the other one that was my grandmother's. Got this at the flea market. Let's see who it was made by. Ah, shit. Well, I know Camillus and Imperial made a lot of these, but I'm not seeing the maker's mark. Imperial. Just very light there. Okay guys, we're about halfway through. So hang in there. If you can't make it through it, I understand. Got another Camp King. Imperial. Spear blade. Can opener, bottle opener, screwdriver. Another one of these that's broken in back. There's another Forest Master with the faux winter, they call it winter bottom material here. It's supposed to make it look like that. It's called, I'm forgetting the name of the plastic that they use. I might remember it later. But I think this is a colonial stainless. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, colonial. Oh, I think it's called Stagalon. Okay, we got a sharp. Made in Japan. All the stuff you'd need right there. I think this is the Stagalon here material again, probably made in Japan. Oh no, this is a colonial. Okay, the colonial with the fork and knife. I mean the fork and spoon, which would come in handy. Alright, and here we go with the... I want to think this is a Craftsman. I really like this blade. Look at this blade. That's a good looking blade right there. Let's see here. Yeah, this is the Craftsman. Yep, pretty sweet. Alright. This one's got a Phillips on it. The emblem's gone. Let's see if we can find the maker. Oh boy, this is really used up. No maker's mark on there. I like the Phillips on there. That's pretty cool. Okay, we're getting closer, guy. Here's another Craftsman. All right, and then let's see. It's a cool looking blade right there. Got the little swedge going there, and I got the long nail nick, which gives a little bit of style. Kind of beat up plastic handles there. Alright. This is Delrin, I think. Plastic jigged bone. Something tells me there's not a maker's mark on this. It's kind of beat up. Alright. So let's see what this is. Is this a Columbia? Imperial? Let's see. Imperial Ireland. Okay, we got... Oh, Pal Cutlery. I remember that. I haven't seen this one in a while. This is an oldie. I'm not sure how old, but it's a bit older than the other knives I have. Maybe, I don't know, thinking 20s or something like that. I like this design on here. Definitely plastic. Force Master. I got the long nail nick on all of them here, except for the main blade. The spear point is all jacked up. Colonial. This one's an interesting one. This kind of got in here. I usually put it with my Victorinox and Wenger Scout knives and SAKs. But this is a really cool old knife. It's unmarked. There's no maker's mark on here. I tried to figure it out, and I couldn't find it. I found some knives similar, but I just don't know the origin of it. It's made really good. Just no maker's marks. Okay, this is my grandmother's other knife here. Camillus. New York. Got the gold logo. Another Camp King. Oh, this one's broken. And look, it's got a chip blade. Made by Imperial. Okay, guys, we got this 4 more after this one. This one's pretty beat up. Actually, it's the same one as this one. This is just a older beat up version of the same knife. Imperial Ireland. Another Imperial. This one's been wrapped with a coating. Another Camp King. Oh my god. I know these are easier to find than most, but a lot of them are broken. So they must have pumped these out and made them cheap, and they probably didn't cost much. Okay, got a Forest Master. And one more. Got some real bone there. And a really used up knife. Really used up. Awards. USA. Like somebody did some carving with that. You could see the reamer in there. Everything was made into like a carving knife. Or maybe they used it for leather work, I don't know. But that's the last one, guys, and thanks for watching. There they are again, my collection over the years of Scout knives. Thanks for watching. Bye.